In this video, you'll learn how to buy Tron using MoonPay. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully purchased Tron through the MoonPay platform. Start by navigating to the MoonPay website. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, you should see the MoonPay homepage featuring options for buying and selling various cryptocurrencies. Next, locate and click on the Buy button on the homepage. This action will redirect you to the section where you can choose the type of cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Ensure that you are on the correct page before proceeding. After that, select the option labeled Buy Crypto. This will take you to a new screen where you can choose the specific cryptocurrency to buy. Look for any loading indicators to confirm your selection. Once this appears, click on the Buy BTC option. This step is necessary as it leads you to the asset selection menu. You should now see an interface that allows you to select different cryptocurrencies. Next, click on the Select Asset button. This will bring up a list of available cryptocurrencies. Ensure that you are ready to proceed before moving to the next step. After that, click on the section labeled Popular Tokens. This will display a list of frequently traded cryptocurrencies, making it easier to find Tron among other options. Now click on the search bar. This will allow you to type in the name of the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. A cursor should appear indicating that you can start entering text. Type in Tron and wait for the system to respond. You should see suggestions appear based on your input. This will help ensure you are searching for the correct cryptocurrency. Once you see Tron in the suggestions, click on it. This action selects Tron as the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, and the interface will update to reflect this selection. Next, type in the amount of Tron you wish to buy. Ensure that the amount you enter aligns with your budget and any applicable transaction limits. After entering the amount, click on Continue with USDT. This will move you to the order confirmation screen where you can review your purchase details. Once the order details are visible, click on Confirm Order. This step is crucial as it finalizes your selection and prepares your order for processing. Now, click on the Buy button to proceed with the transaction. You should see a confirmation prompt that indicates your order is being processed. Next, click on Pay With. This will present you with various payment options available for your transaction. At this point, a message will appear asking you to choose how to pay. Review the options carefully to select your preferred payment method. Click on Apple Pay if you wish to use that payment method. If you prefer another option, such as debit or credit card, you can select that instead. For debit card transactions, click on Debit Card. Confirm that your card details are ready for input before proceeding. If you are using a credit card, select Credit Card. Make sure to enter your card information accurately to avoid payment issues. Now, a message will display showing the total amount to pay. Review this amount to ensure it reflects your intended purchase. Next, click on Deliver To. This will prompt you to enter the wallet address where your Tron will be sent. Make sure you have this ready. Finally, click on Pay to complete your transaction. After clicking, there may be a brief loading period while the system processes your payment. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.